Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore EVSE power issues with Fluke meter testing guide, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin diagnosing EVSE power issues with a Fluke meter, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Fluke multimeter, safety gloves, and safety goggles. Start by ensuring your workspace is safe and well lit. Disconnect the EVSE from its power source before beginning any testing. Set your Fluke meter to measure AC voltage. Insert the red probe into the V-omega terminal and the black probe into the COM terminal. Locate the input power terminals on the EVSE unit. Carefully probe the terminals with the red and black leads of your multimeter. Record the voltage reading displayed on your Fluke meter. If the voltage is within the manufacturer's specification, proceed to the next step. If the voltage is low or absent, inspect the circuit breakers and fuses for any visible issues. Next, check the connection points for signs of corrosion or damage. If all connections appear intact, set your meter to measure resistance. Turn off the power to the EVSE again for safety. Disconnect the wiring harness from the EVSE unit. Test the resistance across the input terminals using the Fluke meter. Compare the resistance reading to the manufacturer's specifications. If the resistance is too high or infinite, the EVSE may be faulty. Reassemble the EVSE once testing is complete. Reconnect it to the power source. If the initial voltage readings were acceptable, verify the output voltage by connecting the probes to the output terminals. Record this reading as well. If everything checks out, reconnect the EVSE to the vehicle and conduct a functional test. Always remember to follow safety protocols throughout the process. Document your findings for future reference or troubleshooting. If power issues persist, consider contacting a professional for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.